Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Got a hankering for some fish. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some salmon. And I'm gonna make it in the air fryer. Y'all know I love my air fryer. But I'm not just gonna cook it regular, it's gonna be Parmesan Crusted Salmon. So stick around. Let's see if Mike can screw this up. Okay, I gotta have some kind of binder for it. And since I'm keto, I don't use just anything. And what I'm gonna do is let me get something else to put that on there with. I'm gonna use a little mayo on it. That'll make it where everything will bind to it, I think. I would use mustard, but my wife is not a big fan of mustard, so this is doing actually better. So let's get it on the other side. Well, look at that. I've got it all over me. Should have used tongs. That's right, Tom Garvey. I said I should have used tongs. So let's see what we can work out here. I'm using up the rest of this mayo, so I'm not worried about the jar and any contamination. So, because this is the last of that mayo, there won't be anything else used on it after this. So everything's good on that. Get me a little bit and smear it on the sides here. Let's got that side done. If you can't tell, I'm scraping the bottom here. Okay, that'll work. Now I'm going to use some salt, pepper, garlic powder on it. Well, before we do anything else, let me preheat this thing. We're gonna cook this in the air fryer, like I said, at 420. And I'm preheating the oven, the air fryer, 420. 420, so that's that. Here's my Parmesan cheese that I'm gonna put on there. Grated Parmesan cheese. Let's flip this over and get it on the other side now. Salt, pepper, garlic powder, or granulated garlic. That's that. Let me see. Now I ain't got a choice. I got to use tongs, so. Get it on the side some. I dried this meat off, this fish off before I did this, so it would be better. Things don't want to adhere just as near as easily to wet stuff. So. Plus, you just end up with some sliminess. So. Okay. I'll hit it with a little more Parmesan, I think. Probably gonna hit it with some when I get it in the air fryer. We got 1 minute on the preheat, so bring y'all back when that's done. Okay, so I got it in the air fryer. You can see it there. It's in the air fryer basket, ready to go in. And I'll stick it in there. It's at 420 for 10 minutes. Can you see that? Let me flip you around here. So, come back when she's done. We're checking it there. Might need to cook a little more, might not. We'll see. All right, there's our finished salmon right there. And it ended up going for 12 minutes total, so because I added 2 more minutes to it. So your air fryer might work differently, might work better. You know, just play. That's why I did it by 10 minutes, just so I could check it. But it's done. Let's see if I can get it out without ripping it. I did not. I did not get it out without ripping it. This may look a little dark, but I promise you, and that's the camera. It's not. It's done. It's perfect. It's perfect. It is. I'm telling you, I couldn't ask for this to turn out any better. Alrighty. So there it is. Some perfectly cooked salmon there. You can see it's flaky. Right here, it's flaky for it right here. I'll get a little piece. And that's hot. That's so good. That is wonderful. All right. Well, let's see if we can get a taste test out of the missus here. Paige. Excuse me. Paige. Hold on, I'll be back.